Hello, my name's Trudy and I'm a tutor here at BritCent. Today I wanted to help improve your speaking skills by looking at the ways we can negotiate. So this video will concentrate specifically on haggling. So what is haggling? Well, we haggle to lower the price of something. Haggle is a less formal word than negotiate, so it's not used in business meetings, but rather at shops, markets, or car dealerships. How can we ask for a discount? Try asking the salesman to knock down the price. This phrasal verb is used generally to ask someone to reduce the price. To be more specific, we can ask someone to knock off a, and then give a certain amount of money. So you might ask, would you consider knocking down the price? Would you consider knocking down the price? Or could you knock £5 off? It looks slightly damaged. Could you knock £5 off? It looks slightly damaged. How can we ask for the price we want? In informal situations, we can suggest a price using the following. Could you do it for? Would you take or accept? A smart customer might highlight the problems with an item before using this question. So, for example, I think I might be able to get it cheaper online. Would you take £20? Or, it isn't exactly what I wanted. Could you do it for £30? How do we accept an offer? Now, imagine you have reached a price you're happy with. How could you accept it? Well, of course, you want to play it cool. As such, you could say, go on then. Or, you've twisted my arm. This idiom, twist somebody's arm, suggests a person has been convinced to do something they didn't want to. Whilst the response, go on then, demonstrates a person is accepting something. Both are informal ways to accept an offer or an item we feel we shouldn't be accepting. And finally, how can we walk away from negotiations? We usually make one final statement that gives the seller one final chance to lower their price. This could be, that's above my budget. That's above my budget. I couldn't pay more than. So for example, okay, that's above my budget, but thanks. Or, okay, well, I couldn't pay more than £20, but thanks anyway. If the seller's final offer is still not low enough, it's time to give up. To leave the negotiations politely, we might say, I'll think about it and I might come back. I'll think about it and I might come back. Or, I'll have to leave it for today. I'll have to leave it for today. Well, that's all from me today. I hope this video gives you confidence to haggle. Why not check out more of our BritCent videos and follow us on social media for more tips to improve your English. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.